You're a Bob Smith spooning. So can I go start searching?
Yes.
Whoa, come with my phone. Okay, where's the milk? Where are the milk?
Read it out loud. I didn't hear what you said.
Where the milk is kept cold. Oh, there's only one place for candy.
Not this time of year.
The place where Jesus was born. Jesus was born. Babel. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles.
No, where do you go for bubbles?
Bubbles.
When you
Out
do?
back, don't we?
Do you play in bubbles out back?
Sometimes.
Where do you get bubbles? Almost every other day you get bubbles.
Oh my. Ranger Island! Charge!
Stay here, Stay here.
Treasure Island. What is this? Nathan, switch it, please.
What do you have that I would say switch it to?
Switch it.
Switch it.
Think chores.
Switch it.
Laundry.
Here, come here. Hey. Here he is.
You?
It's a teddy bear hamster.
Oh,
There he is.
he's adorable.
She
Oh, it's a she.
and she is gonna have babies.
Oh my God.
Where's she at? There she is.
Trying to do is quit looking at everybody.
Oh, she's so adorable.